Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in these tough times of recession, guys, there is good news from every company. We can see that the hiring or the joinings has again started now, and all the companies have given the joining letters to the candidates within the last 10 days. If we see, we regularly upload these kinds of videos on the channel. You can see that I regularly upload off campus drives as well as onboarding updates on my channel. So you can see that Infosys, Wipro and different companies has given the joinings to the candidates, and the joinings are going to be in the upcoming months, that is in the first phase of the new year, that is January to April. So in this video we are going to talk about the upcoming joining dates of all the companies, be it Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, TCS, Tech Mahindra and many other companies. So make sure to watch the video till complete end. So in this video we will be seeing the complete information related to the joining and which company will give the joining on which date, along with some of the roles also we are going to see. So basically, first of all, we are going to see the joining dates of TCS, and then we will be moving on to the other companies, because TCS has given joining to some of the candidates based on the locations. Okay, so before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest updates from our channel and all the latest updates on the joining dates of upcoming months. So the first is TCS. So TCS has given 3 joining dates as of now. So the one of the batch is going to join the TCS on 18th of January 2023, and the location is going to be Hyderabad. Next joining dates that the TCS had sent is 16th of February and 2023, and the location for those candidates is Mumbai. Next joining is of TCS Ignite, which is on 28 December, that is this month only, and the location for those candidates is Chennai. So if any of you has got any other joining date apart from this, let me know in the comment section so that it will be helpful for our entire community. So other than that, if you have any other doubts related to TCS joining, let me know in the comment section, and there are many candidates who has recently joined the company. They will be guiding you through it, and I will also answer your queries. Moving on to the next joining dates, which is of Infosys. So Infosys has recently given different joining dates to the candidates. So one of the joining dates that the Infosys has given is 2nd of Jan 2023. Other joining date is 13th of Feb, and the another joining date is 27th of Feb 2023. Apart from this, there is another date which the company has given, which is 30th of Jan 2023. So 30th of Jan, 27th of Feb, these dates are for system engineers role. Apart from this, there are other joining dates also which the company has given, which are for system associates. Okay, so let me know if anyone has got any other dates apart from this, and it will be helpful for everyone. Moving on to the other joining dates of the companies, which is for Accenture, the next joining date is going to be 23rd of Jan 2023. For DXC Technology, 21st of December 2022 is next joining date. And for DXC, many candidates were waiting for a long time, and they have started getting the joinings now, so it will be helpful for the candidates, as the company has now started giving the joinings. And don't worry if you have also given your assessment recently and you are waiting for your joinings. The company cannot onboard all the candidates on a single day. That is why the company will hire the candidates or give the joinings in batches or phases. So some of the candidates will be given the joining on a particular day, and after that, the next joining dates, you might also get your joinings. So the next joining date for Tech Mahindra is 27th of December 2022, and for Cognizant it is 23rd of December 2022, and Capgemini, the joining date is 5th of January 2023. Capgemini has also informed in one of the communication mails that they will try their best to give all the joinings until April, May. So if you have not got your Capgemini joining, don't be worried about it. You may get it until the May month. Okay, and apart from that, we have also discussed about Infosys. So Infosys also, there are many 22nd July April candidates still who has not got the joining mails yet. So don't be worried. I have already informed that the joinings are happening in batches, so you might get after some days your joining. So don't be worried. Now this situation has came to a good level that all the companies has started the giving joining, and now the hiring which was stopped from a long time, like from last 2 months, there was not much assessments happening, so that will also start to happen as the new joinings will be given. So the company will need more people to hire in the upcoming months. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel, as we regularly upload these kinds of updates for you guys, so that it will be helpful in your career. And Let me know if you have any of the doubts related to any further joining dates. You can ask in the comment section. You can join us on different social media platforms like Telegram and Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to receive all the regular updates. Also, we have different playlists on our channel related to interview preparations, aptitude questions of different companies. You can check them, and if you have any upcoming assessments, let me know. I will bring more videos for you. Thank you and all the best.